So what's up, guys? Um, I'm gonna be talking about some side hustles that you guys could do, and actually could turn it into a career. So the one that I'm gonna be talking about today is how to become a home inspector. When I started out in my construction industry, I got my general contractor's license, and I wasn't getting that many construction jobs. Thankfully, I was able to start working with an inspection company, and I was making about $100 per inspection that I would do, and I would do 4 inspections a day. So I was $400 that I was making daily, and I had inspections every day of the week. I would work 6 days a week. Okay, the only day I wouldn't work was on a Sunday, and you know, if you study to become a home inspector, you can literally do inspections throughout the whole United States because inspectors are needed to inspect houses, to inspect residential, um, locations. Especially now here in Florida, there was a issue with the building that fell, and the ones that have to inspect it are, home inspectors or building inspectors. But a home inspector, you can also do a building inspection once you've learned how to do it. So the main thing is, studying, getting your license, and start hustling. Once you start working for yourself, then you can open your own company and start making mad money. Here it says the average salary for a home inspector is between $58,000 to $70,000 a year. Based on like a $28 an hour um, salary. But like I'm telling you, I was making $100 per inspection. Now, when you go out there and do an inspection for a house, you got to take pictures of, the attic, the roof. You have to have your equipment. You're probably gonna waste maybe like $500 buying your equipment, but you'll get an inspection done in a regular size house between 30 minutes to an hour. If you take longer than an hour, then the house has to be a little bit bigger, and you have to be charging a little bit more. If you're an independent inspector, you work for yourself, you're gonna charge easily $300 to go do this inspection. Okay, I was working for a company; they were paying me $100, so these people were making $200 off of me for me to go do the inspection. Now it's not just taking the pictures; you also have to write the report. The report takes a little bit longer. You're probably gonna take about another hour to 2 hours if you're slow doing the report, because I don't like typing, and I hate it, and you got to get the pictures and put everything there. But that's part of the job. So let's say you do the pictures in 30 minutes or 45 minutes. You're in and out of the property, and then you got to type the report. It'll take you another hour, maybe 2 hours. So it's a total of 3 hour job. Okay, but you got it done in one day. So you're making $100 a day. But I used to do 4 inspections in a day, so I was making $400. I would do one at 10 a.m. or 8 a.m. Be there early, do the first inspection. Then 10 a.m. I had another one. Then 12 a.m. I had another one. Then 1 p.m. I had another one. So by 1 o'clock I was done. I would go home and start typing out my reports, and I would start maybe my reports at 5, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. By 12 o'clock at night, I was done. But it was $400 $400 a day that I was making when I first started as a home inspector. And the good thing is that you can move from state to state, and you're still a home inspector. You might need to get recertified in the state you're in, but in the end of the day, you for the most part, you're already gonna have the knowledge. So that's a pretty good side hustle that you guys can start. You can work for someone else when you start, learn how everything goes, and then you can make your own company. I didn't become a home inspection company because I've been doing too many things. I have my construction business, the marijuana business that I just bought a farm with license and permits, and it's too much hassle to be dealing with too many things. But I have done inspections, and sometimes people ask me, "Hey, can you do an inspection on my roof?" And I'll go and I'll do it. And I'll charge like $500 just to do a roof inspection, or to go do a regular home inspection. I'll take my brother, show him how to do it. I'll charge him $400 or $500 as well, because I always tax him a little bit more because I don't want to do it. But a lot of people tell me yes, so I'll go do the home inspection. and have my brother type up the report to show him how things are going, you know. And I mean, it's been pretty good. I could expand it into a business if I wanted to and start hiring other inspectors. I just haven't gotten to that. I really haven't paid much attention to that, but I could if I wanted to. So that's just, I came up with an idea to talk about it on YouTube for you guys that want a side hustle. There's a perfect one right there because you guys could work during the day and maybe do some inspections at night, because there's people that are not home and they want you to do the inspections at night. Or, you know, they're buying a house, the houses are vacant. You know, they'll give you the keys to that house. You have access to the house all the time. Now, it's not ideal for you to go to a house at night because, you know, some of the houses don't have electricity and some of the houses don't have, you know, they don't have lights to go in there. So you're going to be on a mission. But if you needed to get it done, you could get it done. Or you could go on the weekends only. You know, you could do inspections Saturdays and Sundays. So there's many ways that you can schedule your appointments if you're a home inspector, you know. The thing is that some of these home inspections need to be turned in quick. You know, you need to do the inspection today, and the same day you already need to be turning in the reports, because there's a time crunch when you're selling a house. So those are things that you got to keep in mind, but it's an extra salary and you could do it as a side hustle if you guys are interested. So let me know what you guys think. Like the video, subscribe to my channel, and see you guys the next time.